Alright, really quick update. So, apparently last night while I was trying to compile audio, just do a rundown the audio section of Pkgsrc, it compiled Apache. And this is nothing really new for, you know, Haiku. There are some older versions of Apache that are up at Haikuware. But, so anyway, I've just starting to work through the very first parts of it to get it to run. It's running, it's not accepting connections. It's having some issues with a couple of the modules. And so once I work it through, amongst a lot of other things, I mean, there's now the packages are starting to actually look kind of interesting now. There's like a all terminal IRC client, which is kind of cool. IRC server suite, call it, I forgot what thing's called. A theme. So, and I've just passed the 20% mark of total packages. I'm at, if I counted right, it was like somewhere around 2,700 that I've got made here. Might as well look. But since I'm tired as hell and don't want to take it anymore, I'm going to go home. But I think that's, no. You know, in styled edit has a bug in it. It doesn't know how to count line numbers. But basically, 2,371 packages. And apparently OpenLDAP just compiled for me also as some dependency or something. So it's kind of down to now where it's like, you know, if it's Mesa library based, if it's glib2, or if it's the Python 27C element tree that the package wants, it'll have an issue, which is kind of where I want things to stop before I move on to the next thing. So it's going kind of good right now. It just keeps going, and you know, and but still 20% isn't where I want to be. But I haven't done pass-throughs in in a lot of the categories, including the development category of the databases, which are going to be fairly big. Editors I may have. Languages, no. Mail, no. Math, no. Miscellaneous, no. And so all these black ones I haven't even gone through yet. And chat is, I have in chat right now, and I've added a few more all over the map tonight. But right now I'm at 14 on the chat, which is very small compared to the 138 that are available. But right now I'm just I'm at the MSN pecan number 72 out of 139. So when I come back tomorrow, I'll see what other surprises have shown up. Now I know the operating system isn't made to run Apache, but it's just kind of cool, you know. Maybe you might want to have your own little Apache thing here. I know there's a Poor Man here. Let's see, where's it? But they used to have something called, no, they have something called Poor Man. And that's a quick and easy way to set up a web server, and I may look at that as an example. But hell, they compiled, so what the hell? It's kind of cool. There's some app called Goofy that you basically have your own. If someone else has it set up too, you can actually. It's like your not very well known instant messenger. I do not know what this bitchbot thing is, but the command is actually called bitch. I don't know what. I'm just doing runs. That one seems to stand out for some reason.
connecting to server. What?
See, I gotta look some of these. What is it? What host are we looking for? Is this? What is this? I gotta learn how to use some of these apps, and I'm getting better at using Unix. Actually, it's kind of weird. You don't need a graphical user interface. Okay. IRC bot for hacker spaces. You need to read an entire thing or it's not going to work. Made by something called Lurky. What the hell is this? Oh, this thing's kind of... Anyway, I'm going to go because I want to get out of here. But I could probably just look at that. I think it's some kind of strange... I don't know what it is. I don't even know if I want to have it. It's got a strange name. Host of your IP. So there's an... This thing's kind of cool. So I can upload things. This is huge... It's a bot? Define your user mask. Something to do with IRC. There's a nick. I don't know what this guy seems to be a bit. I'm not so interested in IRC, but I am interested in being able to FTP. And there's also an IRC server program I got installed here. Anyway, I'm done for now.